mission is to try to get a view of the future in some way, to get a sense of where things are going, where the debate is heading, so that we can explain to our readers the issues that they need to be looking out for. It doesn't necessarily have to be a great conflict, so we don't have to create some clash of civilizations. We're looking for that forward-looking angle.
What am I looking for? Something that nobody else has. That's the big thing, of course. And having things early, on time, not being late. Just looking for things that are maybe a different perspective on what we've seen, a different take on what people generally think.
But we do have to put things into a context to make sure that the stories are understood by a broader audience, because people who have to make decisions about their lives and about rules, they need to know what it means in the real world. It can be quite jargony, so the biggest challenge for me is to take the technicalities and try to explain it to ordinary people. Even though my readers are experts, we have to be able to put things into a language that anyone can understand, or else it just becomes part of the Brussels jargon. You have to get beyond that.
Well, the biggest challenge is making it simple for the reader. Why should they care? Why should they bother reading about it? What does it mean to them? Either to small investors, to ordinary people like you and me who have bank accounts, or the very big banks, of course, which are trying to repair themselves after the crash. So you have to show why does it matter? Why do we care? That's the big thing.
To really cut through, I think if you can create a narrative that really gives that sense of how your story is important for future policy, for future regulation.
We do read our emails. There's nothing like getting a bunch of emails and then a bunch of calls saying, have you read our email? Yes, we have. We have to read every email that comes in because it could be huge news. Secondly, getting responses from people, reaction from maybe your clients, they have to be quick. It's better to have a short, pithy reaction that's quick than some wonderfully written, beautifully drafted comments that fill half a page but come in at maybe 7 o'clock in the evening.